Facebook shops, literally being able to check out from your phone, from your Instagram page without having a website. Hey guys, my name is Laura Gomez and I'm here to tell you all about this new feature that Facebook literally released yesterday. If you're watching this video from when I'm posting it, then it's literally super new. If you're watching it later on, then chances are that this feature has already evolved a little more. We might have learned a lot more, and there might even have been a couple changes. So I'll update everything in the description below, so make sure to take a look at that. Well, Facebook Shops, what is it? Literally, it's being able to check out from your Facebook and Instagram app without having to leave to another website. This is huge news for all business owners, no matter if you're a small brand, no matter if you were selling stuff from your home, if you were selling on Etsy, on Amazon, if you're a medium player, so you have your e-com, you've been scaling up and you're working on your content, you're working on increasing and scaling your sales, or you're a big player in the product brand circle. No matter who you are, this is for you. And this, I can definitely about 99% assure you will have an increase in your sales if you incorporate it and do it correctly. Why am I so sure of that? Well, it's super easy, and just like we're super used to scrolling down and liking stuff, it's going to be that simple to start checking out from the brands that you love. And even better, start getting to know brands that you don't know already. This literally means that, let's say for example, if I have a little Laura t-shirt shop, my t-shirt shop is right now competing against big global brands like Target, like Nike's t-shirts, whatever global brand your competition is, you're literally competing against them on the same platform with the same exact tools. That's the big scope of this that I want you to really hold on to and take advantage of. The main thing that is super interesting about this is that you're going to be able to customize your store. So when Mark was announcing this feature yesterday, he literally said, I want brands to be able to bring in their loyalty program. So if you have that, you're still going to have that. I want them to tell their story. And this is something that if you've watched any of my videos, I'm huge on tell your story, be yourself, be a human, because that's what sells. So no matter what brand you are, don't be scared to customize it, to do things differently. You are going to have different options when setting up your store. If you already have a catalog from Shopify, WooCommerce, whatever it may be, you're automatically going to be transitioned into this new feature. If you don't have a catalog, alert, alert, alert. You need to do this as soon as possible. Set up your catalog, go to Business Manager and create your catalog and import your products onto this catalog. If you don't do this, you're not going to have this feature. So the sooner you do this, the better. Another thing that is absolutely amazing with this is that you're going to be able to integrate it across the different platforms. So Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger. I know there are so many locations, so many countries that rely on WhatsApp and even on Messenger for a lot of their day-to-day communications. So this is a huge, huge impact to be able to shop simultaneously across all these platforms. It's absolutely amazing. And another game changer that to me is mind-blowing is the availability to incorporate Facebook AR. So Facebook AR is that augmented reality that we usually play around with on filters. So the doggy ears, the makeup, the long eyelashes, the filtered backgrounds, whatever it may be that you like to play around with. Well, you're now going to have the availability to play around with different products using these filters. So I don't know if you've already seen the Kylie Jenner lip kit, but you can literally scroll and see which lipstick color looks good on you. This is a huge trend for makeup brands, for furniture brands, for anything like that, because you can literally see future products in the environment that you want it to have and decide what works best for you. So absolutely amazing. And if you do want to scale your business into a higher ecosystem, then make sure you start designing your filters. This is something that we are incorporating into the agency as a service. So if you are interested, go ahead and leave me a comment down below on that. Next, you might be asking, okay, Laura, but I already have a website. I have my online store. What happens now? Do I have to close it? Is all of that effort gone? All the money I paid for designing that website and getting that established, am I just gonna lose it? No, not at all. Stay with your website. Your website is still needed. Website is needed because not everybody is on Facebook. Even though the majority of people are on Facebook, you want to make sure that you are omnipresent. This means that you are anywhere that a customer wants to find you. So it's like McDonald's. If you're ever craving fries, if you're anywhere in the world, you can always find a McDonald's on a street corner near you. That's literally what your brand has to be. Your brand has to be present so that whenever a customer is interested in your product, you're there and you're easy to shop from. So it is super interesting because Shopify and Facebook are kind of partnering, and they are making it easier for all these brands to be able to streamline their whole shopping process. They can decide what process they want to integrate and what process they rather leave on their website. So that's super amazing, and it is super simple. I want you to take a look at what the experience is going to be like. So right here, I recorded myself going through a brand and actually checking out a product. As you can see, I started off from the feed, I clicked on the product that I liked, and then it took me to a regular add to cart page. So this is super, super normal. It's designed just like we're used to, and then it takes me to a page to be able to choose my delivery, my payment options. You're going to be able to have the chance to store your credit card or use your PayPal if you do prefer to not add your credit card details onto these internet sites. One thing that I do totally agree with is that Facebook will store your credit card, because I don't really think of it as, oh, they're taking my data. This is something that it's out there. It's literally out there, and they know what we do, they know what we shop. So it's just a user experience, and it's easier for me if I'm ever interested in a product that I can literally just shop and click with one finger instead of having to find my wallet, find my card, put in my card information, put in the date, make sure it's correct. You know, it's just all these little things that slow down the process as a consumer. And if you're on the other side of it as a brand, you want it to be as fast as possible to avoid people from leaving or from missing out in that process. So this is absolutely amazing. Another feature that this will have is that you're going to be able to have a swipe up that goes directly to your product. This is amazing because what does this mean? Well, swipe ups are no longer for only 10K accounts or more. This literally means that if you have a product brand and you're not at 10K, people will still be able to swipe up automatically. Another huge thing, you're also going to be able to promote your product during an Instagram live. Yeah, that's absolutely stunning, because we do promote Instagram lives for product brands so that they can do product releases, so that they can feature a product. So it's going to be an absolute amazing thing to be able to make sales from your Instagram live. So I'm totally for this new feature. I hope you are too, but I know it can be a little scary. I know it can make you feel a little overwhelmed. So I'm interested in knowing what you think down below in the comments. Let me know what your opinion is. Are you excited for this integration? Are you a product brand that maybe isn't sure what to do? And one thing that I will recommend, your feed, your content, your digital presence now is literally now more than ever, your storefront. So I hope that if you're a product brand, you're investing in good content, you're investing in management, you're investing in customer support through Instagram. It's no longer, oh, I handle my Instagram myself. Oh no, my little niece handles my Instagram because she's a millennial. No, you need to have somebody that's specialized and that knows what they're doing. This is literally your new salesperson. So just like you train the person in your store, I hope you're training the person who's managing your Instagram. All right? Hope it helps. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe and leave some comments below. Bye-bye.